Oh, we're recording, Mark.
Good morning, everybody. So, my name's Mark from Club 365, and this is
Fraser, hi.
So we're in Nashville, and Hugo's in the back, and he's the technical person in the team. And we've gathered here in Nashville because we're doing some team building. We're also at a conference, and a part of the work we've recently been doing is to actually get some more focus on our request system in MicroJobs. And every time we get a request, we're going to try to produce a video like this. And we've currently got 2 requests, and Fraser's got one on there, and I've got one listed on here. We just want to tell you a little bit about what those are. So the first request is, I need a form to track the status in a production process. And this has come in from a person that works in a large printing factory on the manufacturing floor, and what they need is a mobile enabled app. So it sounds like it could be forms, it could be power apps, to track the process of a particular order as it goes through the production line. And the form seems very simple, so they just want some touch enabled tick boxes, but also they've got a CRM. They'd like to bring in customer data when they enter an order form. But we don't expect you to be able to quote based on this, because what you'll probably want to do is contact that customer, and then they'll come back to you, and then you can have a good old chat about what their requirements actually are. And then once you've got a good grasp on what they need, you can then put a quote in. So this is a great one. It's fresh in, so there's nobody bidding on it at the moment. So get in there and see if you can win that work. And the Fraser's going to tell you about the other one.
Okay, the other request is a SharePoint project. They want a request form with electronic signature when submitted. They want the electronic signature to be based on the login credentials in the Active Directory. And the forms needs to have various fields with drop-down menus. And they also want some notifications triggered off the back of the form. So take a look at that. The budget they have for that is $200 to $500 US, so a nice piece of work. Go onto the link that we're sharing, and there's a contact button where you can ask more questions, clarify it, and put in your quote.
Do they actually mention on that one if it's Microsoft Forms or Power Apps at all?
They just talk about Forms and SharePoint, so
right.
they don't talk about Power Apps or Power Automate, which might be a solution worth clarifying with them.
Yeah, so that could actually be a form solution where you take the data, you put it to a form, and then use Power Automate to put it in SharePoint list, or it could be a Power App solution. But again, it's actually crucial that you actually contact these buyers and see exactly what they want.
Absolutely.
So that's all from us. We're going to head back to England tomorrow, but we've got a great day today. We're going to see Tony Robbins, which I'm really excited about because I've followed him for a few years. But we've got to go now because Hugo's over there and he's like shouting us, come and get our omelettes. So have a lovely Saturday, everybody, and it's over and out from us.
Cheers, bye.
Bye.